Here is the introduction of hospitality industry. The hospitality industry is the sector which provides services and large field within the service industry which includes lodging, food and drink service, events planning, theme park, travel and tourism including hotels, restaurants, bars and tourism agencies. By the definition, hospitality means the quality of or disposition of receiving the treating guests and strangers in a warm, friendly and generous way. Um, Talking about origin of hospitality industry. Before before hundreds of years back during the emerging time of modern civilization, there is no any hotel facilities were existed, which caused the difficulties for travelers to live and travels. Use that to live at the compensation of local people. Among the origin of hospitality industry insist Greece is the guest right, and it was an established set of conventions that were accepted among the different culture in Greek world. And they insist Rome is another origin of hospitality industry. This origin also defined as Roman businessmen travel from which Roman made a story that they were some of the first known to the travel for pleasure. There was great research that found while Rome traveling. Those travel brings more popular and known more about other region and discovered new things from where they have causes for traveling which help to them to reach their destiny, and also they got a shelter and food from the supporter. Travelers used to stay their private homes and nobles stayed in monasteries as long as they found a new world where their people got settled. They brought their own terms for eating and resting place after that. There was a revolution of France where there is Escoffier and the brigade system. Bollinger is the father of modern restaurant. At that restaurant, they have provide a good service. Also, they sold shop called restaurants or restore the body. Talking about modern hospitality industry, as we know, represent a considerable business in the global frameworks and modules development trends and tourist demand affect its modification. These types of business has more facilities and it is more effective way to service than previous hospitality trends. Talking about a modern hospitality industry, there is a huge number of increasing of tourists and customers greed for good services and facilities caused the change in hospitality industry service improvements. For growing the modern hospitality industry, many new things have done for making effective and decorate as much as they can, which helps making a customer easily. They have provided a good infrastructure developments like electricity, transportation, communication, etc. Including the culture tourism help to grow the modern hospitality industry. At the present time, there is competition between the hospitality industry due to the large number of hotels, restaurants, bars, resorts, etc. Characteristic of the hospitality industry. Increasing the huge number of hotels also helps the customer in the meantime, like some of the customers were drunk at that time they have choice to stay at hotel which increase the economic rate of the hospitality industry. Also, their services are most intangible. There is there is inseparability of production and consumption of the service product due to each guest's unique demands. Because of the unique demand of the customer, main thing has done is to give them priority service and satisfaction that make a piece around there. The four main hospitality industry sectors. The four main sectors within the hospitality industry are entertainment and recreations, food and beverage, lodging and travels, and tourism. Each of these main sectors have subsectors within them. Entertainment and recreation. This includes business all businesses that are dedicated to providing an entertainment service. It covers everything from supporting events, music, concert, art and performance, museums, theme parks, escape rooms, and cultural events. The entertainment and recreation sectors promotes and provides services that enable people to take part in recreational activities for cultural, hobby, and educational purposes. It includes professional and amateur performance, and its main purpose is to provide entertainment. Food and beverage. The food and beverage industry is the largest sector within hospitality. These subsectors include cafes, restaurants, food trucks, pubs, and bars. Fast food drive-through nightclubs and tea and coffee shops. Food and beverage business can be sit in full service or take away. They also go beyond the remit of simply providing food, since people often choose out for the entire customer experience rather than just their meal and drink. Lodging businesses within this sector provide accommodation to guests. The lodging industry covers hotels and guest houses of all stars ratings, also resorts, caravan, mobile and static home sites, hotels, log cabins, camps, cottages, and chalets. The role of an accommodation provider is to provide a safe, secure place for a tourist to stay. Standards differ between providers and according to different budgets. There might be some crossover into the food and beverage sectors in hotels that include a fast food, buffet, hotel, restaurant, or bar. Travel and tourism. The fourth sector of hospitality is travel and tourism. It includes travel agents, cruise liner, logistic companies, sightseeing, bus and walking tours, airlines, taxis, and car rental companies. The travel and tourism sector provides means of transportation to move travelers from one place to another. It is an essential middleman that supports tourism and business travel, public transport for all purposes. It's part of this vital sector. It has been the primary and most dynamic sector. The role of the hospitality industry and its contributes to society during COVID-19. It has been the primary and most dynamic sector in today's global economy. It has generated about 10.3% of global GDP and provided 330 million jobs in 2019 directly and indirectly. Such a large and positive impact on the global economy was experienced despite its survival from the crisis and disaster at various times in the past. COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the global economy. It has been predicted that the global GDP will be contracted by 5.2% in 2020. One of the economic areas this pandemic has affected the most in developing countries like India is the hospitality and tourism sector. Many hospitality business have been temporarily closed due to strikes to minimize the infection rate. The measures such as lockdown, social distance, home orders, travel bans, and travel restrictions have been imposed. Hospitality groups or organization contribution during COVID-19. Hospitality industry makes some contribution during COVID-19 pandemic like donation of food, money and volunteer hours to aid restaurants, services workers, farmers and people going hungry during COVID-19 pandemic. Other contributions like Alone Ireland as it is organization which recruits to call, visit and provide. Pharmacy supplies grocery material and launch national helpline in a collaboration of more than 200 students and in the Atlanta area delivers meals to hospitality workers who are facing hunger due to unemployment or COVID-19. The initiative meals deliver network includes Butcher and Brew, Homan and Finch, Empire State South and more Pulse, while Heaven Beer, a local craft beer brewery, has created two new beers to support ATL family meal and is donating a portion of process to the initiative. Boston Cares, a central hub for volunteering. Boston Cares helps more than 25,000 people annually give back to schools, non-profit agencies, and other community programs. They recruit, train, and mobilize volunteers across the greater Boston area as many or civil organizations adjust their programming models in response to COVID-19. Boston Cares is um, Safe and Foundation. The Save and Foundation is a Colorado-based non-profit helping schools around the country serve kids healthier, tastier scratch made lunches as schools respond to coronavirus-related closure. The Save and Foundation is sharing successfully tactics and best practice from their partner district. They were working to make it as easy as possible to develop remote food program and support for students in addition to accepting donations. The Save and Foundation is also collecting messages for a nationwide nationwide thank you card for school food workers across America. uh, Food chain worker alliance by uniting worker based organization into a broad coalition. The food chain workers alliance stands up for more than 3,75,000 workers who plants, harvest, process, pack, prepare, serve and sell food, organizing to improve wages and working conditions for all workers along the food chain. In a survey, the Food Chain Worker Alliance found that 80% of all food workers were not given paid sick days, and 43% said they fear they would lose their job if they took a sick day in response to the danger of COVID-19. The Food Chain Worker Food Recovery Network. Since its inception in 2011, Food Recovery Network has uh, re- rescued more than 3.2 million pounds of food and has a presence on 230 colleges campuses across the United States. Food Recovery Network empower student communities and food business and re- reconstruct reconstruct their participation and habits around surplus food. Thank you. So the last slides is for references that I have used for secondary source. Thank you.